Hello everyone, welcome again to the channel, and we will continue the To-Do application development today. So in the column add another container. The container's width should be 100%. Add some padding like 12, and the height should be auto. No, not auto. I think 80%. You can leave the height as auto as well. I think the height here, we will start with 500 pixels. Add some border radius like this. Add a text here at the middle. Add the text some padding. Alignment of the text should be at the right. It will be all work list. I think left would be better for this. Yes. That is our, yes, we are improving our design. This is the home page, and here we will create a button, and this will be the account button. Wrap this widget into a, okay, we will add a row. Take the row to the top. Then add a circle image. Take the diameter, fix the diameter to 50, and main axis alignment will be space between. Unclick this circle image. Here your profile picture will be shown, or if you click here, you will be navigated to the profile of yours. Let's see if the search button looks better. No, it doesn't look better here. So what we can do, we can change the width of the search button to 80%. Give some padding. Give some padding to the text field, and that's it. add some padding to the row to separate it from the upper things. In this container now, we will create the tasks that the user will add. We have added a container again. In this container we have added a container again. Fill color, change the fill color to primary background. We will in this container we will take a list view. In the list view we will tag a container's background color will be primary background, and the width should be 90%, height should be 50, and padding should be 12 from above, or like this. You can do it also like this. Give it some border radius. I think this looks better. Now in this container we will add a row. In this row we will add another row. In the row we will take a text. At first we will separate the whole row from the edges to save the things from up 5 and from down 5 as well. This text will be the title of the work you have to do. So the title of the work, like buy 1 kg potato. You may have to set some priority if the task is important or not. So to set if the task is important or not, we will add an icon. Make the main row space between. We will change the icon to star, and the color is golden. Here we have to set total of 2 icons, a golden icon and a unfilled icon. So we have to take a stack. In the stack we will add the golden icon and copy and paste it. We will change the icon color now to primary text and make the star and later we will change it to conditional. On click the blank star, you will be able to change it as important or not. You can also flag or unflag. You can also flag or unflag the task. So we will add another row. In the another row, we will create another stack, and in this stack we will take a row again. We will take another icon again, and like we will highlight. So our flag, to flag the task, we will add a unfilled flag and a filled flag. And then again take another icon, and take the filled flag, and the filled flag color will be green. We will make it some light green. And we will also add a edit button, so we can edit the task. So we will add another icon here, and this will be edit the task, for editing the task, and another icon. All of this will be working as a button, and a button to remove the task. Remove, or you can also use a delete icon. Delete the task. That's it. We will move the edit button to this row. Here we will use the button in this row. I think that looks somehow good. And distance, make some distance. Here from the stack, and from this stack as well, 5. And this will create a list view. All the tasks will be shown here at a time, and you will also be able to see the different tasks differently. Like if you click on the college task, and if the type is college, we should also add a type. Here I think we should add it in a column. We will cut it, add a column, and in the column we will paste it. We will cut the last text again and paste it in the column. We will increase the container's height to 55, I think, or 50 or 60 should also be a good choice. And alignment will be this. the rows padding was 12, so the types will be also 12. It will be college work, or like school work or homework, like this will be the type. So that's it for today, guys. We will continue our design in the next video. Thanks for watching.